Today, we're diving into a common gardening pitfall, overwatering. Just like our homes can feel cluttered and overwhelming, our beloved plants can feel the same way with too much water. But don't worry, with these 3 simple techniques, you'll be on your way to becoming an expert in plant hydration, bringing joy and balance to both your plants and your gardening routine. We'll learn to listen to our plants' needs, creating a nurturing environment where they can truly thrive. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered if your plants are trying to tell you something? Well, they are. And our first technique is all about tuning in and listening to what they need. Meet the finger test, your new best friend in the garden. It's super simple and you don't need any fancy gadgets, just your finger and a little curiosity. Think about it. Would you want to walk around in soggy wet socks all day? Neither do your plants. They hate sitting in waterlogged soil. The finger test is like a secret handshake with your plants. It helps you know exactly when they're thirsty. No guesswork needed. So, let's get hands-on. Approach your plant with a little curiosity and a lot of care. Gently push your finger into the soil about as deep as your first knuckle. Don't be shy, your plant won't mind. What do you feel? Is the soil dry and crumbly, almost begging for a drink? Or is it cool and damp, holding on to just the right amount of moisture? If it's dry, your plant is ready for a refreshing drink. Grab your watering can and show it some love. But if it's still damp, hold off. Give it another day or 2 and check again. Patience is key. Imagine pouring water into a glass that's already full. It just spills everywhere, right? The same goes for your plants. Too much water is never a good thing. Overwatering can actually suffocate your plant's roots, making it hard for them to soak up the nutrients they need. By using the finger test, you're giving your plants just the right amount of water. No more, no less. It's a tiny act of mindfulness that can make a huge difference in your garden's health and happiness. And here's the cool part. The more you practice, the better you'll get at reading your plant's signals. You'll start to notice little hints, like droopy leaves or a pale color, that tell you when your plant is thirsty. This is where the magic happens. You'll feel more connected to your plants, and gardening will become even more fun and rewarding. It's all about creating a space where you and your plants can thrive together and enjoy every moment. Remember, every plant is a little different, just like us. Some like it dry, some like it moist. The finger test helps you figure out what each one prefers. With this simple trick, you'll be able to give every plant the special care it deserves. So why not make the finger test a regular part of your plant care routine? The more you do it, the more you'll bond with your green friends, and the healthier they'll be. Soon it'll feel totally natural, like you and your plants are in perfect sync with nature. And who knows, you might even find yourself using this mindful approach in other parts of your life. When we slow down and really pay attention, we discover a world full of beauty, joy, and connection, right in our own backyard. Ready for another awesome watering trick? Then stick around and let's dive into the magic world of watering together. Ready for a game changer? Let's dive into bottom watering. Think of it as treating your plants to a spa day, where they get to sip water at their own pace from a peaceful pool below. This method is all about kindness, letting the roots gently drink up what they need when they need it, with zero rush. Picture a plant in the wild, its roots stretching deep into cool, damp earth, finding just the right amount of moisture. Bottom watering brings that natural magic right to your home, encouraging roots to grow strong and healthy. Here's how you start. Grab a tray or saucer that's just a bit bigger than your plant pot. Nothing fancy needed. Fill it up with water, creating a mini oasis for your plant to enjoy. Next, gently set your plant pot into the tray, like giving it a relaxing foot bath. Make sure the water comes up about halfway up the pot. This lets the soil soak up moisture from the bottom, just where the roots need it. Watch as the water sneaks in through the drainage holes, slowly moistening the soil and quenching your plant's thirst from the roots up. The best part? Bottom watering helps prevent overwatering. Your plant only drinks what it truly needs. Plus, it keeps the soil light and fluffy, so roots can breathe and stretch out with ease. When we water from the top, water can rush right through, sometimes washing away precious nutrients. But with bottom watering, those nutrients stay put, feeding your plant from the ground up. Let your plant soak for 15 to 30 minutes, or until the top of the soil feels just a little damp. Then, lift the pot out and let any extra water drain away. No soggy roots here. You'll notice the soil is perfectly moist all the way through, but never waterlogged. That's the magic of bottom watering, steady, gentle hydration that helps your plants shine. It's especially awesome for plants that hate soggy feet, like peace lilies, ferns, and African violets. And if you have plants that like things a bit drier, this method lets them decide how much to drink. Just like the finger test, bottom watering invites you to slow down, watch, and really connect with your green friends. As you see the water level drop, you'll know your plant is quietly soaking up exactly what it needs. Sometimes the gentlest touch is the most powerful. Your plants will thank you for it. By giving your plants the right environment and letting them lead the way, you'll see them thrive like never before. So go ahead, embrace the calm and joy of bottom watering. Make it a fun part of your plant care routine, and watch your plants transform with a little patience and a lot of love. Every time you care for your plants, you're building a deeper connection with nature and bringing a little more peace and happiness into your home. And if you love a bit of tech, get ready. Next up, we'll check out a gadget that may become your new best friend for watering. This clever gadget takes the guesswork out, giving you instant feedback on your plant's needs. Your garden adventure is just getting started. Want to unlock the secret language of your plants? Let's explore a game-changing gadget that brings science straight to your soil. Picture this, a tool that reveals your plant's hidden needs, taking the mystery out of watering once and for all. Enter the moisture meter, your new sidekick for decoding what's happening beneath the surface. Imagine being able to listen to your plant's roots. This device makes it possible, giving you instant feedback with a simple glance. Using it couldn't be easier. Gently push the probe into the earth near your plant's base. No special skills required. Instantly, the display lights up, showing you whether your soil is parched, perfect, or drenched. Think of it as a color-coded dashboard for your garden. Green for go, yellow for caution, red for hold off. It's like having a traffic signal right in your flower bed. Simple, clear, and super helpful. Green means your plant is thriving. No action needed. Yellow? That's your gentle reminder to prepare for the next watering. Red? Pause. Your plant needs a little time to dry out. For those just starting out, this tool is a total lifesaver. No more watering anxiety. You'll feel empowered to make the right call every single time. Even gardening pros can sharpen their skills with this clever device. Caring for fussy plants like succulents or orchids? The moisture meter takes out all the guesswork. Watch your most delicate plants flourish when you meet their exact needs. Plus, using this tool helps you become more in tune with your garden's rhythms. It's all about building a deeper connection with your green companions. Why not bring a little innovation into your gardening routine? Add a moisture meter to your collection of tools and watch your plants burst with color and vitality. Remember, gardening is a journey of discovery and joy. Blend timeless techniques with this modern marvel, and you'll create a plant care routine that's both smart and effective. And always remember, your attention and care are what make your garden truly special. When you nurture your plants with intention, they'll reward you with beauty and happiness. Together, you and your plants will grow and thrive. So go ahead, experiment, have fun with your moisture meter, and discover just how rewarding and exciting gardening can be. Your lush oasis is just a step away. So there you have it. 3 easy techniques for watering your plants correctly and saying goodbye to overwatering woes. Remember, every plant is different, so observe your plant's responses to these methods. With practice, you'll master the art of watering, ensuring your garden thrives. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more beginner gardening tips, and don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications. Let's grow together. Happy gardening!